So first of all, you need to support the engine. This is how I did it. So you do not touch anything except from the oil sump. And here you need to disconnect. Sorry, here the fuel line, and then you have to disconnect also this AC line here, and undo the aluminum bolts. Here you have 4 of them, and at the end you have full access to the oil return pipe, which is 18 millimeter. So this one is broken because of when I tried to pull off the CCV hose that connects to it, it simply broke. So this is the steps that you need to follow in order to change the oil return pipe. So when you unbolt the support bolt, you have full access to the oil return pump tube or pipe, and here it is. This is the broken part. So I tried to patch it, but it didn't work. And here is the new parts. You have here the oil return pump. We will grease it a little bit with the lithium grease in order to facilitate the insertion of the oil return pump. And also, almost forgot, this is the part number of the oil return pipe, and this is the part number for the kit of the bolts, support bolts that goes here. Okay, let's go. A bit of grease. Clean. Let's clean. Insert the oil return pipe. Okay, it's 18 millimeter, so we just need to snug it. Oh, okay. Oh, not working. Okay, I managed to snug this one with my hands, and I think it will not move. Now let's go with this support up, like, no, it's okay. Okay. Get now the fun part, which is the tightening torque. There is no specific sequence to tighten, but obviously we'll do cross. And the torque for this is let me check. The torque for this is 25 newton meters and 105 degrees. So let's start with 25 newton meters. So 25. This is 20 and 25. And the fun part, which is the grease.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the
I will put back the nut, the upper nut for the engine mount. Okay, you can release the tension from above. And put back the AC line. Okay. And the fuel line. The fuel line is where is it? No, okay, no. Fuel line is 10 millimeter. and I don't bother to apply the nut, just put this as a good and tight up like this. AC line, it's T45. This is also good and tight, up like this, and put back the ground in its place. We have this in its place. This one, it's okay. Those one are already torqued. The new one are snagging. I only snagged it by hand because I cannot put the tool there. And now we have to tighten the engine mount. Engine 56. Let's go. Long extension. Okay, need a very long. How we can do it? I don't know. Let's try. Okay. Oh, come on. Up. It's okay. Okay, it's finished. Everything is all tight and nothing is loose, and the oil return pipe is on. So let's go. Thank you.